Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. It has been raining the past few days here in Maryland. Raining or not, these daily summer vlogs will not create themselves. Once again, it's eviction day. Ready to move your hydroponic plants to soil? In this video, I'll show you how I transplant eggplant, cilantro, and basil into garden soil with ease. I'll also share some helpful tips along the way. First things first, let's remove these plants from the hydroponic system. Very healthy root system. Any cilantro lovers out there? I love me some cilantro. My plants sure are getting watered well. We have rain in the forecast all week. My 4 German Shepherd fur babies. For those of you who are new here, I'm in Maryland, Zone 7B. ELOCs, I want to thank you guys for supporting my daily summer vlogs. It has been raining daily here. Raining like crazy. I gotta clean this up. But for now, this belongs here. So many seed pods. All you need is one plant, one seed harvest, and you will eat for life. It feels amazing out here. You all were out here with me when I harvested this oregano, and I need to harvest it once again. The more you harvest, the more it grows. This is the loofah gourd. I'm going to trellis it up here. So grow, baby, grow. Oh, look at the baby florets. I've got to get this planted. The buds on this baby. Do the cilantro here. Let me just fluff it up a bit. It's a nice, cool, overcast day, so this is the perfect time to transplant indoor plants outdoors. Also, my deck gets quite a bit of shade. Cilantro will bolt very quickly in the heat. Things that I don't want to bulk in the heat, I tend to grow up here during the summer on my deck. Okay, grab this other one. I love cilantro. I never can plant enough of it. But don't you worry, this fall, I'm planting so much cilantro. I want to just have some dried on hand whenever I need it. Need it or want it. For easier transition, keep the plant well watered. Once the plant is looking more established and holding its own, I tend to cut back on the watering. So the roots are accustomed to just sitting in water. It should adjust pretty nicely out here. Nice overcast day. This is okra. And these are the lights that my neighbor gave me. I mentioned that in one of my other videos. Swiss chard. Okay, I think I'm going to plant this globe basil here. And I'm going to leave it in this little sponge here. It'll be just fine. It's already growing out of the sponge, so it will continue to do so. I love this spicy globe basil. Smells amazing. And this is me collecting rainwater. So again, I just want to make sure this is drenched because it's used to being in water. So I'm giving it extra water here. It'll go right here. It's getting shade for the next few days. More rain is coming. The blueberries I just recently planted. The Northland and Patriot. Spring onions we planted together. These are the 3 we planted. I also planted some here. As you can see, they grew back. Where do I want to plant this eggplant? Oh, the lemongrass is really taking off. I need to plant more. This is okra with the lemongrass. Got an empty grow bag here. This soil isn't as wet as I was expecting. It's a little on the dry side. Surprised. So getting plant in here. Water it in really well. Especially since it's coming from the hydroponic system, so it already likes its roots nice and wet. Let's get plenty of water. We want it to feel like it's right at home as it gets adjusted to being in soil. All right, it is still raining. Let's see how the cilantro is holding up. Cilantro is actually the bounce back kid. Cilantro is standing up, no leaf loss. Actually doing pretty well. And the fact that it's raining and cool out makes a huge difference as well. Looks good, can't complain. Let's check on the basil and eggplant. Honestly, with the weather being the way it is, it's making the transition so much easier. It is doing so good. The soil is super moist. It's cool out. Uh-oh, you need help, buddy? All right, so far 2 out of 3 are doing well. Okay, let's check on this eggplant. The eggplant is doing well also. 3 out of 3. So I didn't have to work as hard as far as keeping the soil moist because it's been raining for so many days. So this has actually been an easy transition on both me and the plants. So great, great, great. Love it. A successful transition. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you tomorrow. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.